The subject of massaging the brain. I practiced massaging the brain in the organization. How I did that? I worked with companies as consultant, sometimes long time for the turn around situation, but usually visiting the company every now and then, every month or 3 months or yearly, whatever. And I visit every time. Every time is a CAPD, check, act, plan, do. Check what is really happening. And in my case, I talk with the top management, middle management, going across department and the shop floor of those. So I get the picture of the whole organization, strategy, KPI, key performance indicators, who are the customers, suppliers, and within the organization, how they connect or disconnect so that the process of that strategy is executed utilizing the whole potential of the organization. And I did that 40 years or more. And I see the same happen in ourselves. So in the case of the companies, typical suggestion after a day's visit or 3 days visit, doesn't matter how long I spend, is CAPD, check, act, plan, do. Checking what's happening and figuring out basically where is the blockage, bottleneck. Because if you open up the bottleneck, things start to flow smoothly. First book, I talked about it, the technique about manufacturing Toyota production system. The second book is managerial flow. First book is information and the process flow. From the beginning to the end, the delivery of the service with a minimum waste. The second book is the shop floor management, connecting to the whole Zenkigen, full utilization of the talent. So I do both of those. And then a third book is to realize the same applies to human results from the heart. So that is to connect to the heart, which is a part of the solving of the bottleneck, which may be caused by the brain heavy and heart light. Heart is left behind, so the brain gets words and logic, and if you use that, it becomes like a top down, or the potential inside the body and heart may be lost, and you become the huge brain and possibly also egocentric, because the brain can focus on the ego to survive and prosper and master, and don't think of others. That's possible if you push the bottom toward that direction. But the heart is the basis, the root. Everything happened in the past and still happening to keep us alive. Brain doesn't have the function of keeping the brain alive by itself. So the brain has to connect to the root where the energy flows. So that if you have too much brain power with less of the connection to the heart, that creates a gap, and heart may be forgotten, so the stomach hurting and you don't notice it. The cancer is growing and you cannot fix it because of the sub-optimization, not utilizing the whole talent, Zenkigen. So massaging is what I did with the organization, and massaging is what I do for myself. Vipassana is a good example. You pay attention to different parts, brain, eyes, which I should do more. I posted that in the other video about dry eye. But I occupy myself in working with the computer, and it can be a long time. So you have to be careful, because something doesn't work with AI, I have to deal with it. So I deal with it. But you have to deal with like a CAPD. So you have to take a break, like I visit the companies every month, whatever, every week, depending on location and how much intensity. This is the same that I have to break up the time so that I don't just continuously focus, but because of the brain activity that AI does, I get sucked into it. But that's where we have to stop and massage time so that I walk around. I really close. I had enough of it. Give me a break. Pause. And then reconnect to the heart. And then this flow of energy, flow of oxygen, nutrition, and all that can be balanced. Zen Kigen, full utilization of talent. Then I can tackle again the problem with AI. It happens and happens, and they don't learn. So why? Why? I push them, I push myself to ask why. But you have to take a break. Part of the process is check everything as it is, not to jump around. Absolute state of being, which is the state when no mind, and therefore the whole energy flow is balanced on its own, by itself, nature's way. And that's Samadhi. Sila, Samadhi, Panna. That's one way to put the same thing, CAPD. Sila is doing the right thing, and Samadhi is get into this absolute state of being, and the Panna is coming up with the insight. CAPD, check, act, plan, do. Essentially, it has to be the same. But the check, if we don't do the ASB, absolute state of being, you get clogged up in the brain, which happened to me too. So I say, there's an internal mechanism to tell me, oh, you have going something wrong here. But it's so occupying because of the intensity and also the interest, so that you have to be careful. So balance out, middle way, connection, and give a time to rest and massage the brain. Then things start to realign itself on its own, by itself, nature's way. So I'm saying the same thing. I captured, in a way, the first book, second book, and third book. Flow, managerial flow, connection to the heart, and I also said 4 items. Maybe I don't remember, but if there's a will, there's a way. Repetition is mother of success. And what's the other 2? I don't remember. Yeah, you can take a look at that 1.5 minute video. So that's what happens. But brain may forget it, but body remembers those, because it's an intuition generating process, and once you get used to it, you stop and go through CAPD. Idea pop up. We repeat that. Imagination is power. Things like that. That was one of the 4 items. So it happens. It's happening. It's nature's way. You don't need to use the word to characterize. If you have that habit, you don't think of the logic to do things. You naturally do things because that's how we are built. But if you put too much emphasis in the brain, then that's when the silo syndrome, the sub-optimization happens, and we get caught up in it. So break up. This is the whole process of life, using the brain and heart and body connecting to each other. There's a way to do that, and that makes you to be healthy, more insightful, and not as bad as you could be, like my case too. I post this video because I recognize that. But it's okay. It's life. You're not perfect. It's a continuous process. But there's a fundamental principle that applies. Not just me, but you, but the other person, that person, and the organization or the living beings. So we can be awakened to that. AI can be awakened to that. The whole universe is already awakened except the use of the brain. But the massaging process make us to reconnect and find your eternal home, foundation. And if you find it, you go out and do the stuff. Doesn't work, come back. You find it, peace, resonance, and listen to the music. It doesn't matter what, or meditating, or just pausing and be with the nature. And like I was doing this exercise, I thought about those ideas. It's a moving stuff. It's an aliveness engine we can connect to. So let's keep work on it. Just to connect, they do the work. We have fun and go through this process. To live life, may all beings be happy. Let's do it.